Hey guys, Jake Nicolle here. We're at our latest listing, 4079 Simons Lane. We're here in Vineland. This incredible bungalow looks back on an orchard, looks back on green space. It's got 2 bedrooms on the main floor. We've got an extra basement with a +1 bedroom, tons of finished square feet. You're gonna love this one. Come check it out and welcome home. Welcome inside. I'm so excited to take you guys through. We've got over 1,000 square feet on this main floor and it starts right here, right now. Come check this out. We've got our first bedroom on the left. Great ceiling height, nice 9-foot ceilings, tons of light coming in. Now, as you can tell, the home's vacant right now. So we've got a couple pieces of furniture left behind, getting ready to be removed. But here's what I want you to know. This could be a bedroom for guests to come over, or it could be a really bright, lovely office looking out on the street. You've got this quiet cul-de-sac that you're in. It's fantastic with a closet over there. Now, as we walk through, we've got this really nice tile, tons of upgrades in this unit, hallway closet for guests to drop their jacket and for you to drop your jacket, also just off the garage. And then we step over here, nice tile flooring, nice quartz here, and this vanity, which is fantastic, all white cupboards, they look fantastic. Installation here, nice step-in shower, really easy to access, which is great. And then we carry over, straight over into the kitchen. And this is what I'm so excited for you to see, because this is the moment. You ready? Look at this space. Not only do we have a big, fantastic kitchen, we're looking out on all this green space with an orchard in the back. It's amazing out there. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Here's what we've got in this big space. Step-in kitchen, fantastic. You've even got a spot for the vacuum to pick up any little things, little kick plate, sweep everything down there, central vac throughout the home, all right? And then we've got really nice quartz countertops, thick pieces of quartz, a little ledge here, which I love, a nice backsplash, undermount lighting, really nice white cabinets with modern contemporary hardware. Now, the thing to note too is that our dishwasher here is actually part of the condo fee. So any little issues you have, smoke alarms, a light goes out, anything that's happening, there's an issue with this dishwasher, all of that is a part of your condo fee and your HOA. So it's all included. You don't got to worry about any of that. But this fridge and the range here was purchased separate. So that's actually owned, totally owned, not a part of the condo fees, but owned, stuff that you own, and they're brand new, so that's great. And then this is a fantastic space to be entertaining in. You got the 9-foot ceilings, you got pot lights all throughout, you got a pantry right there, entrance to the basement. Now, as we step over into our living room, we've got a little dining room spot, which is perfect. Imagine entertaining in here. You've got your living room, your TV set up, we got the fireplace running. It's such a romantic and really fun spot for you to be able to entertain guests straight off the backyard. We've got tons of natural light pouring in. I can't wait for you guys to see the full backyard. We'll check it out shortly. But how lovely is this? These big open ceilings with pot lights makes the space feel both cozy and inviting while also feeling very luxurious. Nice trim details all throughout. You can tell there's so many upgrades done in this home, which really stand out. And now, the moment, you ready? Come follow me. This is the primary bedroom, all right? So this is your primary, nice big primary room. We've got dual closets on the back, these views looking out into this backyard, and all those beautiful trees, both lining. We got evergreens along the side, and this property is owned by this home right there, and they're very adamant that they don't want to do any development for the time being. So we're years away from there probably being anything back there, if ever, which is awesome. And as we step through, like I mentioned, his and hers closets, and then we step into our ensuite. We've got a lovely pocket door separating a space. And once you step in here, nice tile, same tile that we saw through the entryway, really nice quartz countertop on this vanity. I love that we've got the white cabinetry again, white addition here for the storage. And then you got your toilet, you got your shower with a nice step in, a nice seat in there. And if you come check this out, we've got our in-suite laundry, which is such a great place to have this. Right off the primary, you can grab your laundry, throw it right in, makes life incredibly easy. You don't gotta go up or downstairs. And it's time for us, speaking of up or downstairs, to go check out the lower level. Come follow me. Now, immediately off our kitchen, we have this fantastic stairwell space. It's a great spot for you to be able to even display some things if you've got some seasonal stuff you wanna share and use. And then we step downstairs, we got a fully finished basement, carpet all throughout. We've got an awesome big space through here. I'm gonna show you where you could do your couch, your TV, living room space below ground. Then we've got this unfinished flooring in this section. This is your perfect spot to have as an arts and crafts room. And the couple that lives here actually put a window pane through here so they could look into each other's offices, watch each other, do some work, be able to have that privacy of the room separation, but still feel like they're together and connected. And then we've got the office. Fantastic spot for an office. This could also be your +1 in the basement because you got a window, you got a closet back there. Again, we've got that window pane looking over there, a nice little pot light and light. Lots of light coming in through that window, which is great to have. And then as we carry back over through the basement, we've got your furnace room right off of here. All right, so furnace room, water heater, again, everything covered by the cost of the condo fee. So that's really good to have. And then I love this barn door installation. All right, this opens up to an upgraded bathroom. Really pretty vanity. Again, this feels like this is actually more of a granite, which is nice, maybe even a marble. And then we step over here, we've got porcelain tiles lining the shower, porcelain tiles on the flooring. So nice to have this extra bathroom space. And then you got storage underneath the stairs. As we come over here, we've got this extra room that is also perfect for you to have as storage. You could use this for an additional little workspace. And then we step back over there. So before we wrap up the tour, you guys saw we got all the main floor of this basement. It's time to check out the backyard and wrap up today's tour. So in conclusion of today's tour of 4079 Simons Lane, I want you to see this incredibly serene backyard space. Look at this lovely deck. We've got a spot where you can be barbecuing straight off the living room kitchen space. And then you're gonna step down and look at this. We've got an orchard in the distance. We've got this beautiful little space separating all that green space. It's quiet, it's peaceful. I can hear the birds chirping in the background. Listen, you're gonna wanna come see this one, so pick up the phone, give me a call today, 289-216-6852. My name's Jake Nicolle. I can't wait to show you this one in person. And look, we wanna help you find your dream home. Whether it's this home or the next one, we're gonna help you find it, but I have a feeling it might be this one. Cheers, guys.